Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is, this is our new topic. So look here, look at the board to know our today's topic. It is Unit 9, Lesson 6, question number 1 to 3. I repeat, it is Unit 9, new topic, Lesson 6. The title of the Lesson 6 is The Paper Has Advanced. So look here, the paper has advanced our life. This is the title, Paper Has Advanced Our Life. And look here, this is our lecture number 12 and question number 11. I repeat, this is our lecture number 12 and question number 11. Dear students, before going to start our main session, I want to show you a picture. That means I want to start our class with showing you a picture. Dear students, look here, look at this picture. This is a small picture. So look, can you guess what is the picture about? The picture is about the different types of newspaper. So from looking at the pictures, you can understand our today's topic. It is paper has advanced our life. So look here, the invention of paper has advanced our life. Dear students, in these connections, I request all of my students of class 8 to open your English for Today book. In short, it is EFT book at page number 121. EFT, full form is English for Today. Okay, look here. If you open your book at page number 121 of your EFT book, you will get the passage. Lesson 6, Paper Has Advanced Our Life. So, dear students, to know how the invention of paper has developed or has made our civilization very easy and comfortable, we need to read the text. So all of my students, give your maximum attention, and this topic is very important for your examination also. So please give your maximum attention. Read the text below and answer questions number 1 and 2. At first we will read the text, then we will go to the answer session. It is question number 1 and 2. So look at first. Communication of ideas is at the center of civilization. It needs written documents or written records. So in the picture we see, okay, the paper has a written documents or written records. Most of our records in the modern age are on paper. Though writing was invented very early, paper is a more modern invention. So look here, here it is written that writing was invented very early, paper is a more modern invention. Look little bit below. For long in history, people exchanged ideas through speaking and listening. So look, how did the people exchange their ideas? It is through speaking and listening. That means during that time, they did not know how to write. So look here, speaking and listening. Then there came the art of writing. That means after speaking and listening, the art of writing came. But to record thoughts in writing was difficult. So look here, to preserve the ideas or thoughts, writing was invented. Writing materials were not available. Look here, people used the surface of stone, metal, wood, bark, leaves, etc. for writings. So look here, what did people use for writing? So look here, people used the surface of stone, metal, wood, bark, leaves, etc. for writings. Those things were not easy to carry, very difficult to carry. Then for ages, people looked for easy writing materials. Finally, paper was invented in China in 105 AD. So look here, here we have got an information, paper invention. It is about paper invention. Finally, paper was invented in China in 105 AD. Now look here, before the paper age, that means before the invention of paper, knowledge was very restricted. Can you think of that time? There were very few books in the world. Maybe they were written on stone, on heavy wood planks or on metal sheets. Suppose one page was a very heavy stone block. So think of a 100-page book. So look, in our age, you can carry the entire world of knowledge in digital form in your laptop bag. So look here, that means this sentence is about the modern time. In our age, that means in modern time, you can carry the entire world of knowledge in digital form in your laptop bag. You can even carry a huge volume of paper encyclopedia. So look at the word encyclopedia, means storehouse of knowledge. Paper encyclopedia, but who could produce and carry tons of heavy stone, books and documents in those paperless days? There is a question mark. In fact, paper has made publication and the spread of knowledge information very easy. Very much informative and very much significant lines. In fact, paper has made publication and the spread of knowledge information very easy. So look, so you can see how paper has changed our life. Yes, we can see how paper has changed our life. Now dear students, we have finished our reading session. Now we will go to question number 1. So look, choose the correct answer of each question from the alternative given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. So look, number A, the word communication means. The word communication means 1. Civilization, 2. Realization, 3. Contact and 4. Globalization. If we go to the passage, we will understand easily the word communication means. Here the word communication means contact. So look at the option number C, that means 3 number. The word communication means contact. Look. Now number B, the word restricted in sentence 9 of the text means. So go to the passage. So look here, before the paper age, knowledge was very much restricted. So look, knowledge was very much confined. So look, the word restricted in sentence 9 of the text means 1. Sufficient, no. Unlimited, no. C. Refined, no. And 4 number is confined. So restricted means here confined. Now number C, which one was an ancient writing materials? So look here, which one was an ancient writing materials? 1. Metal sheet, 2. Paper. Paper is a modern time invention, computer also and laptop. So look at the option number 1. It is metal sheet is an ancient writing materials. Metal sheet. Now number D, though writing was invented very early, paper is a more dash invention. So if we go to the passage, so you will understand, though writing was invented very early, paper is a more modern invention. Look at the word modern. So look here, paper is a more dash invention. Here primitive means ancient, recent. Yes, we can consider ancient, know this, greater. Okay, dear students, look at the option number 2. That means paper is a more recent invention or modern invention. Now we need to go to our next page to have question number E. Next page. So look here, E number. Our life has been changed dash by the invention of paper. So look, 1 number gradually, no. 2 number greatly, yes, we can think or we can consider. C number slowly, no. And 4 number by stages. So dear students, look at the option number 2. That means our life has been changed greatly. Option number 2 is the proper answer. Now MCQ number F. Knowledge was very limited in dash. Pre-paper age, paper age, post-paper age, modern age. Look at the option number 1. Knowledge was very much limited in pre-paper age or before the invention of paper. That means option number 1 is the proper answer. Now J number. What was difficult before the invention of paper? So look, what was difficult before the invention of paper? Option number 1, to express thoughts in writing. Option number 2, to exchange thoughts in writing. Number 3, to preserve thoughts in writing. Number 4, to communicate thoughts in writing. Dear students, the answer is that all the answers are very much close. So if we go to our passage, then we will understand. So look here. For long in history, people exchange ideas through speaking and listening. Then there came the art of writing. To what? To know. To record thoughts in writing was difficult. So look here. To record thought in writing was difficult. To preserve. That means option number C is the proper answer. So what was difficult before the invention of paper? Option number C, to preserve thoughts in writing was difficult. That means option number C is the proper answer. Dear students, with J number we have finished our question number 1 MCQ portion. Now we have another segment, it is question number 2. So look here. Answer the following questions from your reading of the text above. So look here, look at first A number. How did people share ideas before the invention of writing? Look at the answer. Very easy and short answer. People shared ideas through speaking and listening before the invention of writing. I repeat, people shared ideas, past tense. So whenever it will be did, you must write in past structure, or maintaining past structure you must write. People shared ideas through speaking and listening before the invention of writing. Now B number. Why was it tough to record thoughts in writing in the past? So look, why was it tough to record thoughts in writing in the past? Answer, it was tough to record thoughts in writing in the past because writing materials were not available. I repeat, it was tough to record thoughts in writing in the past because writing materials were not available. Now question number C. What did people use for writing before paper age? So look, what did people use for writing before paper age? Answer, people used, again the past structure, people used the surface of stone, metal, wood, bark, leaves, etc. for writing before paper age. I repeat, people used the surface of stone, metal, wood, bark, leaves, etc. for writing before paper age. Our last question is D number. Communication of ideas is at the center of civilization. Do you support it? Explain why your answer is yes or no. Look at the answer. Look. Yes, that means I support with the statement. So look here. Yes, I support the statement that communication of ideas is the center of civilization. So look at the elaborative form. It is because without effective communications or without proper communications, we cannot have a good civilizations. I repeat, yes, I support the statement that communication of ideas is the center of civilization. It is because without effective communication, we cannot have good civilization or civilization. Dear students, with this portion we have finished our question number 2. Now we have question number 3. In the question number 3, we will fill in the blanks. Okay, this fill in the blanks or this question is about our Bangladeshi food culture. Now for the last time I request all of my students to look at the board. So look here, read the following text and fill in the gaps with appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. So look here, the Bangladeshis have a dash food habit. So look here, look at the sentence properly, you will understand easily. The Bangladeshis have a rich food habit or much food habit or sufficient food habit. We will write here rich, have rich. So look here, R-I-T-H. So look here, the Bangladeshis have a rich food habit. Their food culture is enriched not only with delicious. So look here, their food culture is enriched not only with delicious but also with appetizing items. Not only but also. Not only but also, common thing. Not only with delicious but also with appetizing items. For regular main dish, boiled rice is served with fishes. So look here, for regular main dish or item, dish or item. For regular main dish or item, boiled rice is served with fishes, vegetable, meat, etc. Last, Hilsha is dash of the most popular fishes, which is also our national fish. So look here, Hilsha is one of the most popular. Hilsha is one of the most popular fishes, which is also our national fish. Sweet is also a dash popular food here in Bangladesh. So look here, sweet is also a very popular food here in Bangladesh. Very popular. Very popular food here in Bangladesh. So I am telling the fill in the blanks answer again. Number 3A, rich. Number B, but also. Number C, dish or item, anyone you can write. Number D, one, and number is very. So with this answer, we have finished our question number 3. Now look at the board. Here written SW, homework. So look here, homework. This is our last homework. Okay, that means homework number 11 and last lecture also. Unit 9, lesson 6, question number 1. So look here, question number 1. That means in question number 1, you will have 7 MCQs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7s are your SW. Dear students, I request you to look here. It is written my messenger ID, my mobile number also. My dear students of class 8, with this class, I am very much happy to share you or to inform you that with this class, our annual term syllabus has been finished. That means I will not come before you to conduct any more YouTube class. Inshallah, that means I am not leaving you permanently. Inshallah, we will meet in our live streaming class. Dear students, since this class is very important for our examinations, I request all of my students of class 8 to practice this lecture number 12 at home very much attentively and do your homework. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.